Hey guys, this is Mateo with WTI, and this is the Bosch Blaze Pro. When you're working construction or any type of work where you need to be measuring something, taking measurements is so fast and easy now. The only thing you need to do is to aim at a point you want to measure, and that's it. As you can see right here, the screen will tell you immediately the distance to that point. I really like that it has different functions, not just measuring a distance, but you can also measure the sides of a room and it will calculate the area for you. You can also choose to use it in feet, in inches, in meters, whatever you're most comfortable using. So I think that is very convenient. And it has a pretty far range, 165 feet, which it will help you in any project you're working on. And on top of that, my kitty also likes playing with this laser, so it's a win-win for everybody. So if you're looking for a new way to measure things in a very fast way, I really recommend this one, and that is my point of view.